Let's make some salmon tacos. Adding some olive oil to the salmon, salt, pepper. I'm going for a smoky taste, so I'm adding some chili powder and paprika. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 10 minutes and then broil for about 2 minutes to get a crispy top. While the salmon's cooking, I'm gonna make a little topping with some chopped cabbage, cilantro, lime, vinegar, salt, and pepper, some olive oil, and then mix it all together. And lastly, heat up some corn tortillas, add some extra toppings. I have pickled red onion, pickled fennel, avocado, and some more cilantro. And then it's time to assemble the salmon taco. It's so delicious, very quick, and easy to make. I hope you try it out.